Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to open multiple projects in VS Code in 2026. Working with several projects can be useful when you need to compare code, manage related repositories, or switch between different development tasks. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and load your first project folder. Once it's open, you can use the Explorer panel to access the project's files and folders. To work with another project without completely closing the first one, you can use VS Code's Workspace features. Open the appropriate menu and choose the option to add another folder to the current workspace. Select the second project folder, and VS Code will add it alongside the first project. The Explorer panel will now show both folders, making it easy to switch between their files. You can continue adding folders if you need to work with more related projects. This can be especially useful when a main application depends on another local project or library. If you frequently work with the same group of projects, save the workspace configuration. A saved workspace can remember the folders you added and certain workspace-specific settings. When you're finished, you can remove a folder from the workspace without deleting the actual project files from your computer. This is important because removing a folder from VS Code does not mean you're deleting the project itself. You can also open completely separate VS Code windows if you prefer each project to have its own independent workspace. This may be better when the projects have very different settings or extensions. If the workspace becomes confusing, keep related projects together and use clear folder names. Yeah, organization matters more when you're managing several codebases at once. And that's how to open multiple projects in VS Code. Use a multi-root workspace for related folders, save it for repeated use, or use separate windows when you need complete separation. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next